Hello guys, my name is Devendra Kumar and you watch the HW channel for best learning CAD design software, and today we are made to the table for Bellman structure. So let's start. Then click sketch, then click 3D sketch, and then click rectangular, and click origin, and you see the X origin and Y origin another plane. So click tab button, then click XZ, then again click, then XY. So need the X origin, then click OK, then click OK, again click structure, and before click line, then click origin. So this is the X and Z, but we need to Y and X. Then click tab button, then click OK, XY, click OK. If you click double press, then click hide. Okay, click again rectangular section, but then this here click tab button, we need this, so click OK. Then this each need to be equal, so let's select and then click equal. Then also here click equal length. So now we provide to the sketch. So click smart dimension, click here 2400 mm, then click OK. Then it's also half for these value, 12,000, and click OK. And here also click 800 mm, and this is not fully defined, so here see this is not any parallel line, so this is X direction, then click line, then make to the relation X, and also here this is Y, then click Y direction, oh sorry, Z, and click reverse undo, then click Y, Z. Okay. Also we are choosing down rectangular, and click X, and this is Z. So now we provide the dimension here to here, it's 200 mm. So now our sketch is fully defined. So now provide the legs. Line, then click origin to the, this is not required, so click tab, then click down direction, and also here down direction, and here and here, or then last click here, then click OK. This is the unequal, and this is, so we are need to the all line is equal, then select all line, then click equal to the length. Also here select or control shift button and click O equal, then our line is equal. So need we our total sketch is fully defined, then click OK. And need to go to the element feature, then click structural member. We need square dimension, then this is the ISO and square tube. We need to the size 80 into 80 into 5 mm thickness. Then click first group, the upper rectangular channel, then click here and here and here. We need to require new group, so also down direction square tube. This is beautiful structure design. Then click new group. We also now make to the legs, and click here to here, select all legs, then click, we are made to the complete structure channel, then click OK. Now we are find this. Now see, this is great look, and this no error for any structure. Now we are hiding this sketch, so click here the hide button, then it's good. Now we are choose to the cap for here, then it's end cap. This is also here. Click but any rectangular square profile, then it's here 5 mm thickness its value, and offset 6 mm. It's here to here 6 mm. Now see, 6 mm down direction, 6 mm outer direction. We need to do it's here chamfer or fillet, so I am providing the fillet for 10 mm radius. It's for 15 mm. Then click OK. This great, this is fine. And this we need to the hole for all corner, so we are going to the feature, then click hole wizard channel and click OK. And it's ISO standard and screw clearance for threaded bolt casing. It's here M8 for this sizing and casing sizing. So we have to click position and click 3D sketch. It's click here, it's chamfer these origin to origin as here, and it's here. Then last click, it's here. I thought it's not given provide button. Okay, this is great, fine. So we need to the this is all 6 legs, so here to here 12,000 and here to here 24,000. Then click design free linear pattern and click here. This is click X direction and 24,000, and here to here we need to here, so 1200 mm, and need to 1 2 3 3, and head y direction also here. This is direction, so we need to 2, and also here to here 12,000 mm, 1200 mm, sorry. So now we find, and this is the our body, not feature, so click body, then click here to here. So I thought this is good. Click OK. Yes, this is fine value. We need to or guest or means rib in here for strength dual. So click design free weldment guest, click OK. Then we need to here, so then click here to here. This is also small, then click 26, 5 and 25, chamfer 10 mm. It's fine value. Then click OK. Again click yes, then here to here OK. We need to all direction or channel, and click OK. Guess this here to here, we need to here and here last. This is here and also here. This is rib connected to the for strength our C channel table bus last, then here OK. Test click, then here to here click OK. It's here to here, this channel and this channel for strength build quality. Okay, then also last here to here, click OK. So now it's cool. Then we need to its mirror here and here also. So we need to the two plane here and here these face, then click sorry, then here to here, then click plane, this also mid plane of this face, then click OK, and also need to the its middle plane, then click here to here and click OK. Now we have two other faces plane, then click this plane and choose from mirror command and it's here, click here. These are our body, not features, so click the body and choose all, get or leave. It's here, all selected. This is also here, this preview, and click OK. This is good for, this is also here, and we need to here and here. This is, I forgot this, so again click mirror, then click feature, select also these four, it's here. Now it's fine, great. Then click this plane, choose mirror command, then click body and select again these to mirror command and it's here. These are 6 all. Yes, it's good preview, then click OK. Now we need to hide these plane. It's good. Now our structure are ready for development table. We need to the its or surface channel, so it's all then click face, then sketch command required to this rectangle, then it's here to be here and click OK. Now provide 2D dimension, these two is 50 mm, also here 50 mm. Now it's equal dimension and here 50 mm and also here 50 mm, then click OK. Then go to the design feature, then select sheet metal channel, base, flange and tab. We need now, this is the 5 mm thickness, this is 5 mm also, and this is we need to the reverse direction, so click the reverse direction feature, then click OK. Yes, it's good. We need to, its corner is sharp, so we need to add to the fillet, it's here 20 mm radius, click OK. It's choose corner, then 30 mm, all corner needed selected, it's all only 4 mm, 4 corner, all is selected, then click OK. Or all corner is sharp, so this is looks great. This is material steel carbonate, but we need to add to the glass, then click here, but structure color any looking green, yellow, and this sheet metal blank, click appearance and it's here to be remove our color, it's here. We need to the its sketch is hide, so this hide, then click all these surface, select, click appearance and it's here to the glass material, it is forested glass, click double click OK. So now we are Table is ready for designing.